Hello, today I will show you how to change your keyboard size on Android. Follow these simple steps. So launch any app on your Android where you can input text. For example, I will use Google. So when the keyboard appears on the screen, find and tap this small icon. And then tap on the plus. Here you will find keyboard size, hold it and put it just right here. Then tap done. Then tap on this icon called keyboard size, and by that you can adjust keyboard size any which you want. So when you have adjusted it to the size you want, tap done, and that's it. And to reset those settings, go again in this menu and tap on keyboard size and tap reset. Then tap again done. Also, you can use one-handed option. Just go again in this menu and tap on one-handed keyboard. And as you can see, you can freely use the keyboard only with one hand, and you can change it to the other side by using this arrow, and this will move the keyboard to the other side. And to reset this, go again in this menu and tap on standard keyboard. So now you know how to edit your keyboard size on your Android device. So if this video helped you, leave a like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching. See you next time.